So what I'm trying to do here is give you an idea about how to do some of these Postlab questions. And I just really wanted to point out the places where you're going to find the different equations. So for this one, you're looking for the initial moles of Fe3 plus in a solution. Now you'll find that here in equation 3. That'll allow you to determine that. So you'll just input the concentration you're given in the problem, the volume used, but that volume will be divided by 1,000 because we're going to convert that into litres. That'll give us the moles of Fe3 plus. We do something similar here. We're looking for the initial moles of SCN minus, and you can see again there's the equation for that, obviously putting in the new concentration here. For this one here, we're interested in the number of moles of FeSCN2 plus in the solution, and again you've got an equation for that here. We've got the equilibrium moles of FeSCN2 plus, which is going to be the concentration multiplied by whatever the total volume is here. And you can see that the total volume, you're actually going to have to calculate that because you've got 9 mils of this, you've got 7 mils of this, and you've got 7 mils of water as well. So all those things need to be added together, and that will give you the total volume of solution there, which won't be 10 mils like it is here, it'll be something else. Then we're interested in the equilibrium moles of Fe3 plus and the SCN minus, and both of those are here as well. And you can see that the way we calculate that is to calculate the initial moles of Fe3 plus, which is done per what we did up here in equations 3 and 4 for both Fe3 plus and SCN minus. And you can see that to get the equilibrium moles of Fe3 plus, we actually subtract out the equilibrium moles of FeSCN2 plus, which we get by doing the same thing as we did up here. And you'll do the same thing for moles of Fe3 plus and moles of SCN minus at equilibrium. And the last thing we're doing here is calculating the Kc value, and that's done by applying this formula here, which we get by calculating all of these different concentrations here. The FeSCN2 plus is given to you as well as the concentration of Fe3 plus and SCN minus. These are all at equilibrium if you look here. So it's really just a matter of plugging all of those values in to get the Kc value.